Hajj, the fifth pillar of Islam, is a journey of immense spiritual significance. In this video, we will explore the essential actions of the 12th and 13th days of Dhul-Hijjah, known as the Ayam at-Tashriq. These days are filled with unique acts of worship that mark the final stages of Hajj. On the 12th of Dhul-Hijjah, pilgrims begin their day in Mina, engaging in the important act of Rami, the symbolic stoning of the three Jamarat. Starting with the small Jamara, followed by the middle Jamara, and ending with the large Jamara, each is struck with 7 pebbles. With each throw, pilgrims recite, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. After completing the stoning on the 12th, pilgrims may leave Mina before sunset, if they choose not to stay for the 13th day. However, staying for the 13th Dhul-Hijjah and performing Rami is highly recommended and holds great virtue. On the 13th of Dhul-Hijjah, pilgrims once again stone all 3 Jamarat, following the same sequence and method as the previous day. While performing Rami on this day is Sunnah, it is an act of great reward for those who remain in Mina. After completing their stay in Mina, pilgrims return to Makkah for the farewell tawaf, known as Tawaf al-Wada. This is the final act of worship before leaving Makkah, where pilgrims circle the Kaaba 7 times, seeking Allah's forgiveness and mercy. These are the concluding rituals of Hajj, filled with immense blessings and spiritual reflections. May Allah accept the Hajj of all pilgrims